In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change PayPal password on mobile app. We'll walk through the quickest, most secure way to reset your password right from your phone. Before we begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and access to the email address linked to your PayPal account, since you'll use it to verify your identity. Start by opening the PayPal app on your mobile device. On the sign-in screen, look for the option that says Forgot Password and tap it. This is the official, secure path to resetting your credentials in the app. When prompted, enter the email address associated with your PayPal account, then tap Next. Double-check for typos here. Using the exact email on file ensures the system finds your account without delays. Next, complete the security verification. PayPal may ask you to confirm a code sent to your email or phone, solve a quick security check, or approve a prompt depending on your account settings. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. If a code is sent, enter it exactly as shown and be mindful of any time limits. If you don't see the email right away, give it a moment and check junk or spam folders. Never share verification codes with anyone. Once your identity is verified, you'll be taken to the password creation screen. Create a strong new password and save it. Aim for a long passphrase or a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal details and don't reuse passwords from other sites. If you use a password manager, add or update your PayPal entry so it saves the new credentials correctly. After you confirm the new password, the app will save the change, and you should be ready to sign in with your updated details. If you see a confirmation message, you're all set. A few quick tips in case you run into issues. Ensure your app is up to date. Confirm you entered the correct email, and verify that your device's time and date settings are accurate, since they can affect code delivery. Also, keep your device unlocked and notifications enabled temporarily if you're expecting a verification code. That's it. You've changed your PayPal password on the mobile app using the built-in reset flow. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to store your new password somewhere safe so you can access your account securely anytime.